It's the dessert maker that broke the internet twice, first in the States, then in the UK, and now it's Australia's turn to fight over the last unit on the shelf. Yes, the Ninja Swirl by Creami has officially touched down under, and if you blinked this morning, you might have already missed the first wave of stock. After sending TikTok into a sugar-fueled frenzy when it debuted in the US back in January and then again in the UK in July, the Swirl has become the unicorn of countertop appliances. Everyone wants it, no one can find it, and restock alerts feel like Willy Wonka's golden tickets. But here's where it gets controversial. Some die-hard Creami loyalists swear the original machine is still king, arguing that the Swirl is just a glorified pump with extra counter real estate. Others insist the new soft serve spout is the upgrade we never knew we needed. Which camp will you land in? Keep reading, then drop your hot take in the comments. Where to grab one before it disappears again. Starting today, 18th of August, the Swirl is live at Ninja Kitchen's own site, ninjakitchen.com.au, Amazon Australia, The Good Guys, JB Hi-Fi. Pro tip, set up stock alerts on all 4. Last time, Ninja dropped a viral gadget, the slushie, in February. Units were gone in under an hour. What actually makes the Swirl different? Think of the Swirl as the Creami's extroverted cousin. It still churns, shaves, and respins like the original. But it adds a front-mounted soft serve tap that turns your frozen base into Instagram-ready swirls. Here's the step-by-step for beginners. 1. Freeze your mix for 24 hours in the provided pint. Yes, the wait is still real. 2. Lock the pint into the Creami side and let the blades do their magic. 3. Pop the same pint, now perfectly creamy, into the Swirl cradle, pull down the side lever, and watch soft serve ribbon out like you're at a theme park. 6. Texture settings let you toggle from airy froyo to dense gelato. Expect a few messy experiments. Think of it as delicious RD. And this is the part most people miss. The Swirl's headline tech isn't just the tap. It's the upgraded Creamify blade system. Ninja claims it's a one-spin solution, meaning fewer respins and less time drumming your fingers on the counter. Early testers say the difference is subtle but noticeable. Silkier mouthfeel, fewer icy crystals, and, blessedly, no second 90-second cycle. New kit on the menu, Creamify. For the gym goers and macro trackers, Ninja quietly slipped in a new preset called Creamify. It's engineered to handle high-protein powders and low-sugar bases without turning them into chalky bricks. Imagine your post-workout shake morphing into soft serve. Same macros, way more joy. The catch no influencer is talking about, counter space. The Swirl is wider and deeper than the original Creami. Measure first, impulse buy second. Mix-ins, chunky cookies or brownie bits can clog the spout. If you're a more is more mix-in fan, you may end up disassembling the tap mid-swirl. Some users already call this the sprinkle tax. So, is it worth the hype or just another shiny appliance destined for the back of the cupboard? We're leaving that verdict to you. Will the Swirl revolutionize your summer desserts? Or is it an over-engineered treat tap? Sound off below. Are you racing to check out, or are you sticking with your OG Creami and a good old ice cream scoop? Stay in the loop for real-time restock alerts, recipe hacks, and brutally honest reviews. Follow Tom's Guide on Google News and hit that follow button. Your feed and your sweet tooth will thank you. Lucy Scotting, Tom's Guide Australia. When I'm not hunting down the latest NBN drama, I'm stress-testing dessert machines or writing dystopian fiction with my dog Fletcher, snoring at my feet.